here, my name's Claire. I'm a master's student. I study maths at the University of Exeter, and welcome to another university vlog. Good morning, got my pain au chocolat. It is Tuesday the 21st of January. I don't have any lectures today or tomorrow, so today and tomorrow are kind of my get my life together days in the week. I need to prepare for all my contact hours that I have later in the week, lectures, quizzes, supervisor meetings, all of that I need to prepare for today and tomorrow. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what I plan to do today. I already got my laundry done yesterday, which is good because I hate doing that. I'm going through some lecture notes. I have a quiz on Friday that I need to prepare for. I have some dissertation write-up to do, and then I'm going to go out for dinner with my flatmates because it is Callum's birthday today. That is the plan for the day. The rest of the week I will be taking you with me to lectures or whatever I get up to as a student, because this is a university vlog and I'm going to show you what university is like for me at least. Job done. I'm about to go meet my flatmate Cassie to go cake shopping for my other flatmate Callum. Happy birthday! Aww. Callum has been feeling particularly fragile about his age, so I thought that might cheer him up.
I'm an old fart now. Thank you.
Question number 6. What is the name of the 2014 album that has the shortest title ever to be nominated at the Grammys for Album of the Year?
That's a good show. I never would have thought that. But that, in case anyone tries to think it's just a cross.
Yeah. We're just back from our pub quiz and we placed!
Tiebreaker.
A nail-biting tiebreaker.
We did. We placed second, tied with 3 other teams out of 6 teams.
2 other teams.
But Callum won the tiebreaker. It was run by the Exeter University Quiz Society and it was very good. Would definitely recommend joining if you are a Exeter University student. I'm not on the committee or anything, I just think it's a fun society. But now that I'm back, I'm not going to do anything productive, I'm going to relax. Currently I'm watching Fosse Verdon, but I accidentally watched the final episode yesterday thinking that it was episode 1, and it was 55 minutes in when I realised. So I know what happens. I've seen the last episode, but I'm going to start from the beginning. So that's the plan, and I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, it is Wednesday and I don't have any lectures today, so I'm using this morning to get some stuff done. I've watched a couple of videos for one of the lecture series that I have that has quizzes every week that we have to get 100% in to pass the year. So I did a practice quiz for that this morning. It sounds worse than it is because we can try these quizzes as many times as we want within like a scheduled hour every week, so it's not like I have to get 100% first try. I have a couple of goes to do it, but like still, no pressure. I still need to go over some probability theory notes because I'm finding that lecture series very difficult, so I'm going to do a bit of that this morning, and then once I've got all of that out of the way and once I've done a couple of admin things I need to do, like emails and like scheduling a couple of things, I'm taking the rest of the day off and it's going to be fun and relaxing, and I'm going to watch Netflix and do nothing productive and live my best life because this is not going to last very long. I can already feel the coursework's looming and the deadlines, and once that starts, it's not going to end till I graduate, so I'm going to take this time while I have it. So this is my bullet journal spread for this week. I think I might have shown it briefly yesterday, but I don't think I talked about it or really said what was going on with that, so let me quickly show you. This is last week's. I filled in the stuff down the side, so I filled in this study tracker, which is not very high, but considering it was week 1, that's fine. I colour code these entries depending on what module they are. This one I've just said that I've started it because I'm going to try and do a couple more practice quizzes today. It's 8:12 and I've been working, relaxed, had dinner, spoke to my family on the phone, and I'm now going to go play a board game with my flatmates. Actually, it's not a board game, it's an escape room game. What are we about to do, guys?
Escape room part 3. I can't believe you're doing a video with this whole
I know, but it's okay, you can't
situation.
see it in the video. I've spilt 2 dinners down this white jumper, which is very sad for me. This one was some curry, and this one was today some tomato sauce.
Does anyone know why our hallway is practically flooded right now? Someone's like, sink must be leaking or something.
I spilt that drop of water.
Flooded. Earlier, Claire.
Well, I'm sorry, I'll dry it in a minute.
But
One
it's
drop
just
of
a couple
water.
of drops.
Okay, a couple
I
of drops.
found
What's that you're reading?
I was looking at Callum's Anthony in the Kitchen cookbook.
What do we think of the cookbook?
Damn.
That's
my
What do we
review in
think
one
of the
word.
cookbook? Have you done any actual cooking, or is
no.
this just an admiration
I think
of
the
the
only thing
photos
that
kind
could
of
make
book?
this cookbook better is if it was Anthony and Callum. Nuclear countdown. Hopefully Claire will actually
I'll be
pull
right
her
back.
weight this time, because if there's been a weak link.
Excuse me. 60 minutes starting now. Damn!
Yeah.
Alright, I take this very seriously, so I'm going to stop filming. Okay, we're at the 30-minute mark.
How funny if we got this number.
Call a phone number.
Calling me.
Decoded a phone number.
If it's someone
We've
like,
been
hi,
looking
this is
for it
Paul.
everywhere.
Station clock is 5411.
5411.
The code is 5411.
That is so creepy.
5411. Come on, people.
Yes.
That was
Okay.
insane.
We do
Morse
need to.
Gotcha.
I really.
Is there anything on the other
There's,
phone?
there's both more.
Oh, why did anyone communicate like this ever?
Well, it doesn't.
Never cut wires B and H. Don't do it, people.
Oh, the wires are lit! So, okay, brown and yellow.
Brown and yellow is E.
1C, 2D,
3
F.
F and 4 E.
4E.
People.
Yes!
Christ almighty.
Yes, people.
All 3! Crushed it! Crushed it!
Keys.
Crushed it!
Yeah. I'm just so ready.
Just a little light
Light break.
pre-lecture snack.
Yeah. Hello, darkness now. We've got 3 hours. Wow. Ooh. A class.
No.
What?
You have to link the words together, Callum.
Wow.
Was
Wow. Ugh. Perfect. Very chill.
possibly I'm gonna Good afternoon. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to hide as much of my messy bedroom as I can. This is just for a minute to update you. I had 2 hours of lectures with a 3-hour gap in between. So I went to the library, printed off the lecture notes for my option pricing class so that I could just take them in with me, annotate them in the class instead of just writing them out, because it's one of those lectures where the full typed up thorough lecture notes are made available online by the lecturer, which I very much appreciate, and it's quite rare nowadays, now that I'm a master's student, in the lectures what the lecturer writes down is pretty much exactly the same as what's on the lecture notes. It's just that he explains it as he goes along, and he'll sometimes add diagrams and things that are not on the online lecture notes. So I prefer to take the online lecture notes with me and annotate them as I go along and fill in any explanation that he's given that isn't on the notes. I just add that myself, and I find that that way of note taking works for me. So I printed those out before my class, went to my class, and then came home. So that was like 5 hours of work back to back, and then came home for lunch, and I've just been chilling ever since. So that's my day. Hey guys, what's up? So it's about 8:10. I've done nothing basically since getting back from lectures earlier today, but there are actually a few things that I meant to do today, and they all need doing now before I go to bed at hopefully a reasonable time. So to make myself keep on track of everything I want to do and actually get to bed on time, I am going to use timers, and I just thought it might be useful to share that that's what I do when I have a lot of things I need doing in a short amount of time. So I've set the first timer for some editing that I want to do. If I don't set myself a time limit for that, I could just mess around with it for like an hour. So I've set myself a time limit to get like a rough cut in place, and then I've got some train tickets to buy, so I'm going to do that straight after. And then after that I have another quiz to prepare for. I prepared the other two earlier, but I'm going to prepare the third quiz. And that's my plan for the evening. Quiz prepared for, train tickets bought, video, I've got like a rough cut. I've started putting like text over it, and I think I'm gonna try and do the background music tonight. Hey, how was it? Oh, I see we're having a quick evening snack.
Oh, quick evening snack, yeah.
I came in here for a snack as well. This is Callum's bread that he made.
Can you see it?
Hey guys, what's up? It's Saturday, and I just wanted to jump in the video and say if you watched it to the end, I appreciate that so much. I hope this video was entertaining and informative and gave you a little bit of a taste of what university life is like. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will be back with next week's video very soon, in which I am spending half of it in London for an assessment centre, which I will tell you all about next week. See you soon. Nuclear countdown.
Sorry, can we go from the top?
From the
Because
top?
I haven't heard anything.
I've gotten some great material, and you're telling me to go from the top.
Yeah.
Are you telling me?
Would you tell Scorsese to go from the top?
Are you telling me that you weren't listening when
No,
I was talking?
not a second.
Is that what you're
That's why I
telling
got
me?
you to do it.
All right, okay, Claire, get the emotion, bring it all back in, reel it all back in.
Claire can just
I
edit.
just need to get back in the zone. Nuclear countdown.